Hello, my dear kids. How are you? I hope all of you are well and fit at home. And I hope all of you are obeying your parents. Today I am going to teach you English. And I welcome to all of you in this English class. So first of all, children, you take out your English notebook. This one is your English notebook. And then you write the C.W on the top of your notebook and write here date on the corner side. So write the date on the corner side of your notebook. Then afterwards you write the heading in the first line. You write the heading in the first line of your notebook. Okay. Just like that, I have written the C.W on the board, and then I have written the date. Today's date is 17.08.2020. This is our date. And then I have written the heading. So today's our heading is ring the correct word. R-I-N-G, ring, the, T-H-E, the, correct, C-O-R-R-E-C-T, correct, word, W-O-R-D, word. This is our heading, today's heading, okay. In the previous class, I have taught you 3-letter words and I have shown you some pictures related with 3-letter words. Okay, and I hope all of you have learned that one very nicely. So in this class, I will show you the pictures, some pictures. You have to identify them and their name also. You have to identify the pictures and their name also, and then you ring the correct word. You have to choose the correct word. Which one is the correct word? Which one is the correct spelling of that picture? Okay. And then afterwards you have to make a circle around that word. Okay. So come to the point. First number. See here. Which picture is this? Yes. This is the picture of sun. S. And what is the spelling of sun? Yes. The spelling of sun is S-U-N, sun. So you have to make a circle around the sun. Which one is the sun? S-U-N, sun. This one? G-U-N, gun. This one? No, this one is correct. So you have to make a circle around it. Make a circle here. Okay? Then afterwards come to the next point. What is this, children? Yes, this is a picture of a den. Den, where the lion lives, the tiger lives in the den. So what is the spelling of den? Yes, D-E-N, den. So you have to identify, you have to choose the correct letter. This one or this one? Yes, this one is D-E-N, den. The correct spelling of den is D-E-N, den. So you have to make a circle here. Okay. Then come to the third point. What is this? Yes, this is a picture of a bat. You play with bat. So what is the spelling? Correct spelling of bat. This one is or this one? B-A-T, bat, or C-A-T, cat? Yes, B-A-T, bat. This one is correct. So you have to make a circle around it. Okay. Then see, what is this? Yes, this is a picture of a pin. And what is the spelling of pin? P-I-N, pin. So you have to make a circle around the pin. This one is B-I-N, bin, and this one is P-I-N, pin. Pin. Who used the pin? Yes, the carpenter used the pin. So you have to make a circle around the pin here. Okay. Then come to the next point. What is this? Yes, this is a fan. We use the fan in the summer season. Okay, so this is a fan. And what is the spelling of fan? Yes, F-A-N, fan. So this one is correct or this one? Yes, this one is correct. So you have to make a circle around it. Okay, like this. Now come to the next point. What is this, children? Yes, this is a mat. This is a picture of a mat. We use the mat to sit on the floor. Okay. So what is the spelling of mat? Yes, M-A-T, mat. The spelling of mat is M-A-T, mat. Which one is M-A-T, mat? This one or this one? Yes, this one is mat. So you have to make a circle around it. Here. Mat. Okay. Once again, the correct spelling of sun is S-U-N, sun. This one is den. The correct spelling of den is D-E-N, den. This one is bat. Which one is the correct spelling of bat? B-A-T, bat. This one is pin. The correct spelling of pin is P-I-N, pin. This one is fan. The correct spelling of fan is F-A-N, fan. This one is mat. And the correct spelling of mat is M-A-T, mat. Okay. I hope all of you have understood this one. The chapter is cleared. And okay. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.